And our verse of the day is found in the book of Nehemiah, chapter 2, verse 17. Nehemiah chapter 2, verse 17 this morning. Then I said to them, you see the trouble we are in. Jerusalem lies in ruins, and its gates have been burnt with fire. Come, let us rebuild the wall of Jerusalem, and we will no longer be in disgrace. And this is our verse of the day. Amazwi akhulunywa indoda uNehemiah ebona iJerusalema indonga zalo zidilizwe phansi. Zazidilizwe phansi isitha sabo sabaseBabylon. Afike ama-Babylonians afike adiliza the walls of Jerusalem. Manje ke uma uyidolobha lingenazo indonga lalibonakala njengedolobha elingena protection, lalibonakala njengedolobha elingena identity, lalibonakala njengedolobha elingena sithunzi, lalibonakala njengedolobha elingenakho ukuya phambili ngoba indonga zalo ziwe phansi, ngoba indonga zalo zazilivikela from the enemy. Now when there are no walls, bonakala ngathi lelo dolobha lifile, lo muzi ufile ungenazo ingange, indonga zingekho. uNehemiah ubona lesi simo, ufike ebusuku uzo observe, maye bona ubona ingange zeJerusalem ziwe phansi, sekuphele 140 years ingange ziwe phansi. Usethu uNehemiah, we cannot continue like this. Let us stand up and rebuild the walls. Ngebo sekuyisikhathi eside indonga zeJerusalem ziwe phansi, but it's about time that we come back and rebuild the walls. Nawe ngicela ukukhuluma nawe namhlanje, maybe ngonyaka owedlule isitha sidilisa indonga eziningi empilweni yakho, wasala uexpose kwadilika indonga zomthandazo, kwadilizwa neindonga zefasting, kwadilika neindonga zokufuna ubuso benkosi. Manje usele dengwane, usele without protection. But I am calling you this morning, I am challenging you this morning, let us come back and rebuild the walls ezidilizwe isitha ngesikhathi esedlule. Wena ubuwaziwa, wena ukuthi awuphuthe enkonzweni, kodwa suke kuphela nje amasonto amathathu ungayanga nokuya enkonzweni, wangareporta nokureporta. Isitha sidiliza indonga. It's high time as we are starting the year, we are going back to rebuild the walls. Ukukhola kwethu obekutshontshwe isitha, we are rebuilding. Makuthiwa they are rebuilding the walls, kusho ukuthi indonga zike zaba khona, kwafika isitha zayidiliza, but now we are going back to rebuild the walls. Abanye kade bethandaza bezila ukudla every week, kodwa sebelinde kuze kushiwe esontweni ukuthi kuzila ukudla kuyimabezila ngoba isitha sifikile sadiliza indonga. Ngicela ukukumema as we are starting the year, let us rebuild the walls. Abanye kade baziya ukuthi bayanikela nokunikela enkonzweni, kodwa bazi ukuthi ilahleke ephendleleni. Isitha sidilizile indonga, kodwa siqaleni unyaka bafowethu and rebuild the walls. Kade udumisa kwehla uNkulunkulu, kodwa khona izinto okuhambe kwahamba, isitha sadiliza indonga. Ngicela siqale ndawonye sithi we are rebuilding the walls. Ngiyazi sithi khona izinto esitshontshile ngonyaka owedlule nangesikhathi esedlule, but we are coming back to our position and we are rebuilding ourselves back. We are rebuilding our faith. We are rebuilding our focus to the Lord. We are rebuilding. Sibuyisa indonga, siyayivusa. Abanye kade bevuka ngo-12 ebusuku bethandaza, bevuke ngo-3 ekseni bewazi wonke ama-gate nama-watch gate okuthandaza, kodwa sebelala kuze ku-6 bengathandazile ngoba kufika isitha satshontsha sadiliza indonga. Sengathi ngavuka abantu, but we are now sick and tired ukuthi sibe normal. Onke ama-limit ebefakwe isitha, we are rebuilding. Siyayivusa lezi indonga, sibuyela kuyiposition yethu. Vuka namhlanje uyithathe isitha, sidlele kakhulu ngawe ngoba indonga bese idiliziwe. But we are coming back, we are breaking the limits, we are breaking the boundaries, we are rebuilding lokhu isithe besikutshontshile. uthi uJeremiah ngikwazi ukuqhubeka ngihlale indonga zeJerusalem ziwile siyazakha lezi ndonga siyayivusa ziyonyuka yothi uphela lo nyaka sobe sekwenye level noNkulunkulu ngoba we are rebuilding sivusa ugange lomthandazo abantu bethanda umthandazo sivusa ugange lokufunda izwi likaNkulunkulu sivusa ugange lokufuna uNkulunkulu sivusa ugange lwefellowship we are rebuilding the walls